Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor. Today I have the unboxing from the September Graceful Muse Paperie, so we'll go through that in a minute. But the first thing I see is the regular vellum. Hello, September, Chapter 9. Beautiful gold foiling. And then we have an extra vellum this month, this beautiful fall. It says hello fall. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at that thick foiling, the barn, pumpkins, lovely, very, very nice. And then we have the piece of paper, again, lots of foiling, some roses, the barn scene again, blankets and pumpkins. We've got a pickup truck here, bed made with lots of quilts. Very pretty, and on the back, it's two-sided. Different little fall things, a pumpkin, the leaves, very pretty. And then our sticker kit. We have our cardboard dashboard of a fall door. Lots of coppery color, brass, terracotta. Nice thick cardboard. This is called Farmhouse Fall. Here are our calendar stickers. This is gold foiling, September. Here's illustrations 1. Look at that nice orange sweater. Autumn. Got a little planner there. Pouring coffee. Illustrations 2. A truck scene. Another truck. Boots. Desk. Seat by the window to read. There's our floral bouquets. Lots of foiling on there. Large illustrations 1. Little porch scene. And the farm again, the barn. You can see the foiling on those pumpkins. Look at that. Large florals. These are especially nice for an edge or a bottom or a top of a page. Lots of beautiful fall colors in there. Torn washi. Our scripts. All nice heavy gold foiling this month. Some of our words down here this month: goals, to do, priorities, birthdays. There's our floral washi. And this is split already, so you can use it like that, or you can put it together and have it be thick like that. Lots of roses. Beautiful. And then we have our date dots. So to recap, we had our beautiful paper, two-sided, foiled, our Hello Fall vellum, our September vellum, our dashboard, calendar. Again, this is called Farmhouse Fall. Illustrations 1. Illustrations 2. I really like this scene right here. Floral bouquets. Large illustrations 1. Large florals. Torn washi. Farmhouse Fall scripts. The floral washi, and the date dots. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.